We're here with big news about Sony's new PS5 Pro that will rock the gaming world. A faster GPU, massive ray tracing improvements, and more. The PS5 Pro will set to take our gaming experience to the next level. Let's take a look at what this beast has to offer when it will be released and what we can expect. The PS5 Pro, which Sony plans to launch later this year, is codenamed Trinity. Developers are already rolling up their sleeves to prepare games for the PS5 Pro. It is stated that test kits have started to be sent to developers, and work is underway to make games compatible with this new model. This means that existing games will also be compatible with PS5 Pro. The PS5 Pro will offer 45% faster GPU performance than the standard PS5. This means that with a bigger GPU and faster system memory, we'll see a significant improvement in ray tracing and high resolutions in games. The PS5 Pro's GPU will be 3 times faster than the standard PS5 in ray tracing performance. This means that the PS5 Pro will have sharper and more detailed graphics. On the CPU side, the PS5 Pro will use the same processor as the standard PS5, but with a new mod to boost the clock speed. This will boost the CPU up to 3.85 GHz, which is about 10% faster than the standard PS5. On the memory side, there is a significant increase. PS5 Pro's memory speed will increase from 448 GB per second to 576 GB per second, an increase of around 28%. These improvements will provide more memory and faster processing capacity for games. That's a significant improvement in both speed and capacity. Now we come to the PS5 Pro's most exciting feature: PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution. This technology works in a similar way to NVIDIA's DLSS and AMD's FSR, and promises to boost games' frame rates and image quality. PSSR supports 300 TOPS of 8-bit computation and takes just 2 ms to scale 1080p images to 4K. The PS5 Pro will also have HDR support, meaning more vibrant and sharper graphics. This technology is a big step forward, both visually and in terms of performance. As for the release date, the PS5 Pro is expected to launch during the 2024 holiday season. Insider Gaming and other sources claim that Sony could introduce the PS5 Pro in September. However, some sources, such as Tom Henderson, predict a November 2024 release. This date uncertainty is confusing though. In any case, it looks like we will see the new PS5 Pro in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't miss our videos comparing the PS5 Pro with other consoles and analyzing the game performances in detail. See you in the next video.